Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another investing $1 in Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 788. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to invest $1 in Bitcoin every single day. If you aren't familiar with Cash App, definitely check out the other videos on the channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. You can also sign up with the link in the description, get $5 for free. And there's a link for BetFury down there where you can claim free Bitcoin every 20 minutes. So Bitcoin's current price is $59,469, so almost back up to 60K. Looks like we tried to break 60K right about there. Kind of started to come down a little bit. So we'll see if we're able to break through that resistance soon. Up almost 1% today, up about 11% on the week. That chart looks pretty good right there. Up 16% on the month, up 773% on the year, and all time, it's a crazy number. 447,901%. Do you guys remember way back, I'm talking about like a year ago, when we were looking at this chart, and this looked like a massive run up right here. I told you guys this is a scaled chart, so once Bitcoin makes a move, like this is gonna look just like that, and it's happening. It's actually playing out. That's insane. This move back here is a huge percentage change as well, and this is about the same percent, you know, so it's just crazy how that happened. But anyways, I think we're looking pretty good here. Let's go into the news. Nothing crazy for news, but I got something pretty cool for you guys. So check this out. I got some Cash App merch. So you can go to shop.cash.app. They got some pretty dope merch on there. It was actually super cheap, and I did a review on my channel. I think it was either the video before this or the one before that, I don't know. But definitely check that out if you're interested. It was like $16 for the whole kit. If you pay through your Cash App here, you can get 25% off. So Bitcoin owned 0.08608,358. You guys can see that my activity, I'm purchasing $1 daily. Just gonna continue to dollar cost average like that. Let's tap buy, tap the three dots, type $1, tap next, scan my fingerprint, and tap confirm. Just like that, we've bought a little bit more Bitcoin. Tap done there. My balance is now 0.0860998. So let's go ahead and do the math on this. $5,124 in my balance. $5,124 divided by 788 days equals a 6.5x on my investment. So what this means, for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $6.50. So it's going really well. Just gonna keep doing the same strategy, dollar cost averaging, until the end of time. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.